dishes from the last meal, to which he said that he would do it himself later because now he was busy. The maid looked at the blonde. She put the tray by the door and asked to call her if he needed anything. They left. There was a lonely tray on the floor. After a while, the door opened a little. The guy took the tray with all its contents. Having put it on the floor with the rest of the same, he sank to the floor. The brown-haired man hung his head. At this moment, the red-haired girl frowned, asking about the phenomenon of fate restoration. The knight, looking at the floor, replied that Verkis, the Dragon King, son of Tyrannus, the sacred dragon founder, told them that all the changes the young master made to fate were trying to return to their places, and to prevent this, the Pearl of Truth was needed. The girl thought about everything that Lloyd had prevented. She opened her eyes wide, wondering if all this was really going to return to its place. The protagonist was sitting in a dark room. There were beasts hiding behind his collar. Teapotong pressed himself against the cheek of the dowel. Suddenly, a blue screen appeared next to him. On it, a photo of Mr. and Mrs. Frontera appeared. The mouse frowned with displeasure. When the guy put the beasts on the floor, they began to mutter displeasantly, and he apologized, saying that he was very tired. The other two beasts began to pull his ear and hit him on the shoulder. The brown-haired man muttered that he understood everything and that they should not be locked in a stuffy place. After a while, they were all walking along a bright corridor. The protagonist began to hear a voice saying that it did not mean that someone was worried about something, and then added about health. He recognized the Countess's voice and thought that no matter how he restrained the feelings of a sword master, from such a distance everything could still be heard. Lloyd stopped. The man asked if she had noticed too, after which he said that Xavier told them that he was just resting, but this guy just did not know how to lie. The blonde smiled and agreed with him, saying that it was exactly the same before. She was sitting at the table in front of her husband, saying that the knight told them that the work changed after he hit his head, but she knew that he helped them for the sake of the man who received the body of their son. The guy's eyes widened in shock. Clutching his chest, he began to cough. The man opened his mouth and said that Xavier was trying so hard